this easy project I will show you how to make a candlelight. To start making this project, you will need a soda can that has been cut like this. And if you prefer using a cup, you can use this. But you still need a soda can for making this wick holder. And then you will need a cotton for the wick. And don't forget the cooking oil. The cooking oil used for the fuel for this candle. So let's make the project. First off, you should cut the soda can into like this. But if you prefer using a cup, you can use this without cutting this one, but still you need to cut this one. And after you cut the soda can, you should make this wick holder from this cap. And after that, you can grab a cotton and then cut a quarter half of cotton, and then twist it and insert to the wick holder. And you will need styrofoam, or you can use anything that can float on the water. Then the tip of the holder, and insert the styrofoam. After that, you can insert the cooking oil into the soda can. And insert the wick that we have made before. Do not hit the tip of the cotton to the cooking oil, because if you hit, it will hurt to start the fire. So now let's light these things up.